Alright, welcome back. We have downloaded WordPress from wordpress.org in case you missed that video. And we have unzipped WordPress. So now we have this folder containing all the WordPress files. And what we need to do is we need to take these files from our computer and put them into our web hosting server. And I'm using iPage here. You can go into my file manager. File manager is where all the files are kept, and you can see here that at this point in time I have no files in here really other than a default home page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use what's called an FTP. If you are using iPage and the VDEX system, you can simply choose to upload your files through the file management system. However, I like to use FTP. That's just me. When you are connecting to an FTP, you can use any FTP system. FileZilla is fantastic. It's completely free and works on any computer platform, PC, Mac, whatever you happen to have. So the host for iPage is just ftp.ipage.com. You would use the username and password that you use for logging into your control panel. Okay. And I'm just going to make a connection. Okay, so this system makes a connection. You see these files right here are the same files that I have in my file manager system pretty much. And FileZilla is really super simple. All you do is you have the folders and files that you want. You just drag them and drop them. And so what FileZilla is, it's going to do is it's going to take those 1,000 files and copy them from my computer over to the web hosting server. Takes just a few moments to do that. While we're doing that, I'm going to remind you that we have already created a database. So in my iPage system, if you have not already created a database, I'm going to show you where you can do that. Come on, computer. Alright, so on the iPage VDEX system, there's a section here called MySQL Database. And when you click on that, this is where you can create a new database. Alright, so if you have not already created a database and you're uploading your WordPress, go in there, create your database, remember what information you put in, because you're going to need to know the name of your database, you're going to need to know what your username is, what the password is that you set up for your database, and you need this information right here. This is the server name for your database, or the host name. So while we're going through the WordPress install, you need to get that information. Alright, so join me back next time and we'll show you how to complete the install of WordPress.